How to enable Face ID on MEXC application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to enable Face ID on MEXC application, then first of all, launch open the MEXC app on your iOS device. Once you're inside the main homepage of the logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Now you'll see this interface where you need to click on Security from the bottom. Inside the Security tab, scroll down and toggle on the button right next to Face ID. In the pop-up, click on Allow to scan your Face ID on your iOS device, and you have successfully turned on the Face ID feature in MEXC application. Now close off the MEXC application and reopen it again, and you'll be asked to scan your Face ID to open up the app. So there you have it. That is how you can easily enable Face ID on MEXC app. Now you can log in faster while keeping your account extra secure. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.